These are all the ingredients I'm going to be using for my hot sauce. I have here my blended dry pepper. The pepper was soaked in water for about 2-3 hours before I blended it. I blended the peppers using the pulse button on my food processor. As you can see, the pepper is not very smooth, it's rough because I use the pulse button. Then I have here my blended onions, red onions. I have here my chopped ginger, my chopped fresh garlic, and a bit of tomato paste. And I have here my dark soy sauce. I have here my sesame oil, which is very good in all Asian cooking. And of course I have here my MSG. I told you, when you are doing any form of Asian cooking, Chinese cooking, and you need to add seasoning, this is the seasoning for you to use. Okay, so we're going to move over to the gas stop. Canola oil or vegetable oil is hot. Okay, I am using vegetable oil. So I want you to see right into the pot. It's hot. I'm going to turn down the heat a bit. The oil shouldn't have gotten this hot. Okay, so I don't want some of my ginger. Make sure you never get your oil this hot. Please do not get your oil this hot. So we have here a blended onion, ginger, garlic. And then I'm going to put in our ginger, not all this ginger, but half of it. This ginger is almost about 150 grams. Is enough, right? Yes. There's also a lot of chili that I'm making. Salt. I need about a tablespoon of salt. 1 full tablespoon of salt. Half a tablespoon of MSG. Ensure you stir properly. You do not want your ginger and garlic or your onions getting burnt at the base of the cooking. Now it's time to toss in your blended chili pepper. What I needed here was about 1 kg of blended pepper, but I guess my kitchen assistants, they all blended nearly 2 kg. So I'm just going to do about 1 kg of pepper, and this will be put back in the deep freezer. The good thing about this sauce is it can keep in your freezer. You can put them in glass mason jars, ball mason jars. You can keep them in your freezers for months, and it's going to be fresh as new. If you feel you need more vegetable oil, because this has to fry, and without oil it can't fry. I'm actually have to stop that noise. When I'm talking, just hold on now. If you feel you need more vegetable oil in order to ensure that the pepper fries properly, please feel free to top it up with canola oil or vegetable oil. I'm going to be topping this up. Okay. So we've used a total of 500 mils of vegetable oil. And we're going to allow it to fry. Time to introduce my tomato paste. I think I'll need the entire 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. I'm going to put this in the freezer. So, this is what it looks like. I'm going to be putting 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce. And then tablespoon of sugar. We have come to the end of today's cooking, and remember to subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, and if you have subscribed, remember to hit that notification bell. So this is exactly how you make your chili pepper sauce. This pepper sauce can be eaten with your shrimp rolls, your prawn rolls, your spring rolls, your samosas, even your chicken wings. It tastes heavenly. It goes with a lot of side dishes. You can even eat it with fries. Yam fries, cheap fries, plantain fries. It is versatile. So thank you for watching. Until I come your way again, it's bye-bye. So here is our Tastebudzng party pleasing chili dip. It is perfect for all kinds of finger foods, starting from your seafood finger foods like the shrimp rolls in this video, seafood grills, pastas, noodles, rice dishes, cheap fries, yam fries. Always ensure that when you're storing them in your glass jars that you do have sufficient oil covering the entire circumference of the chili pepper sauce. The oil is going to serve as a preservative, ensuring that your chili dip stays fresh for as long as you want. You can leave it on your countertop for over a period of a month or 2. You can leave it in your refrigerator for over a year. It can stay for up to a year or even more when frozen. And each time you need to use it, all you have to do is to bring it out overnight and let it thaw. And you're good to go. Grilled fish. Ooh, my goodness, that's my favorite part. Grilled fish is never nice without chili. Try this chili dip with your fish grills. Try them even with your steak. If you want something spicy, just get a scoop of this chili dip and ensure that the oil is covering the entire surface once you're done scooping. And let me know how it turned out. Bye-bye.